Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Wrapping a 2020 Honda Type R. Doing a full wrap on this car. We already did the hood. Just word to the wise out there. Have your guy remove that easy scoop. I've seen a lot of these installs where they don't, and it affords us to wrap inside there so there's zero lines. And the scoop also can be wrapped perfectly. But here we are coming around our edges. Get focused on that. And we already got our edges all wrapped. The hood's done perfectly. All your corners getting wrapped. All your corners, all this will go down, getting wrapped. And there's your edges all wrapped. So what I wanted to show is I'm doing the fender. And this is where I'm at in wrapping all the edges. I already started this one and I trimmed this back here. This is what's gonna go around that corner. But I wanted to show this right here. I have yet to see, and I know they're out there done, but inside this little vent for the fender, I wrap this entire edge. So I'm gonna come in here and spray a little water on that. And you're gonna see, I'm gonna come around here and just gently roll that around the edge. I hear people saying they get their car wrapped, and unfortunately they think that wrapping these edges is a wrap. It's not. Generally most of the installs I see, there's a line that runs around this edge where they terminate. No, wrapping the edge is what I'm doing right here. So we'll get this all wrapped in, and that is a complete wrapped area of the fender. Sorry, I gotta hold and do this. But anyway, so there's the inside. So that entire section on that inside's wrap, there won't be one edge that shows. And that's what gives the film its most reliability, endurance. So there's no lifts from anything should you go through those touching car washes. We tell you not to, but we know everybody's gonna do it. So to add to that endurance of the film, we wrap those edges here, and most guys do. You should really ask your installers to do that, but that edge is important. It's like that on Vets and a lot of other cars, wrapping inside there. So there's no lines on the outside of this at all. When we get down here, this little micro edge will wrap in here, it'll wrap in here, all the way in here. See, we got our edge right here, getting ready to go down. So there you go. I just wanted to show you on this Type R that edge going in, and it goes in beautifully right into that plastic area where the crack is. So there you go, folks. 2020 Type R, just a little wrapped edge scenario for y'all, and I hope you appreciate it. Thanks. Clearbrow, North Dallas.